Tyler here. So look, guys, it's not always this easy, but I just want to show you how nice this new Anchor volume profile tool is. Okay, we can either get a full range of this entire market volume-wise, or personally, I like to do that first. Just look at the volume nodes, see where volume's coming at, then I'll go and take a secondary one and pull like a local or somewhat more of a range. But look how easy this is. Akropolis historical chart on the weekly. All right. How simple this is. Boom. Here. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. Okay. Here. Back out a little bit. Now, fib pull. Boom. Low to high. Oh, what's that volume node? Is it just so happen to perfectly align with the 618? No, nothing happens on these charts by accident. That's the level. That's the short. That's the trade. Should order flow support it? Very, my opinion, easy. Easy. It's a no-brainer to me. Look at that volume node. You know? Right there. Coming right up, sir. Yes, may I have another? And you want to go further? Cover ourselves on this. Okay, still a 3-to-1 risk reward trade. Me personally, I think that'll hold. I'm gonna move a little bit closer, give myself a little bit better position size. I'm thinking like just right there. I'm gonna cover that 7.5, and that'll be good for me. So there it is. Very simple. Not very simple. It's not always so simple, but look at that alignment. I mean, beautiful, beautiful. Take care.